Good morning, student. Welcome to today class. Today we will discuss problem solving method. This method is very important for developing scientific student in our student. This method is also help in student to solve uh, their problem and learning objective of our this lecture. After going through this topic, student will be able to understand the concept of problem solving method, analyze the process of problem solving method. In this lecture, we will cover introduction of problem solving method, meaning of problem solving method, objectives of problem solving method, steps of problem solving method, teacher role and responsibility in problem solving method, advantage of problem solving method and disadvantage of problem solving method. After our lecture and the end of this video, we will solve some MCQs related to our topic. Introduction of problem solving method. Problem solving skills are necessary in all areas of life, and classroom problem solving activities can be a great way uh, to get student prepared and ready to solve real problems in their real life scenario, whether in school, work, or in their social relationship. The ability to critically analyze a problem, map out all its elements, and then prepare a workable solution is one of the most valuable skills one can acquire in life. Educating our student about problem solving skills from an early age in school can be facilitated through classroom problem solving activity. Such endeavors encourages cognitive as well as social development and can be equal equip student student with the tools they will need to address and solve problem throughout the rest of their lives. Meaning of problem solving method. A problem is a task for which problem solving may be purely mental difficulty, or it may be physical and involve manipulation of data. The person must make an attempt to find a solution. Problem solving is the act of defining a problem, determining the cause of the problem, identifying, prioritizing, and selecting alternative for a solution, and implementing a solution. In a problem solving method, children learn by working on problem. This enable the student to learn new knowledge by facing the problem to be solved. The students are expected to observe, understand, analyze, and interpret, find solution, and perform application that lead to holistic understanding of the concept. This method develop scientific process skill. This method help in developing brainstorming approach to learning concept. Problem solving is a process and ongoing activity in which we take what we know to discover what we don't know. It involves overcoming obstacles by generating hypotheses, testing those predictions, and arriving at satisfactory solution. The person must make an attempt to find the solution. Problem solving is an act of finding problem, determining the cause of the problem, and identifying and selecting alternate for solution. So this is the meaning of problem solving method. Problem solving involves three big, basic functions: seeking information, generating new knowledge, and making decision. Whenever we choose problem, we find the information regarding to particular problem. When we searching the information, we generating new knowledge according to our previous knowledge and new knowledge. We making the decision, we solve our problem. Now we will discuss objective of problem solving. Willingness to try problem and improve their preferences or reservations when solving the problem. Improve people self-concept with respect to the ability to solve problem. Make people aware of the problem solving strategies. Make people aware of the value of approaching problem in a systematic manner. Make pupils aware the many problems can be solved in more than one way. Improve pupils' ability to select appropriate solution strategy. Improve pupils' ability, student ability to implement solution strategies accurately. Improve student or pupils' ability to get more correct answer to problems. The appreciation of the extensions or of a problem and a desire to solve it. The accumulation of the facts and data which are pertinent to the problem. Logic interpretation of the data supported by adequate valid experiences. These are the objective of problem solving method. Now we will discuss the steps of problem solving method. Problem solving method have 5 stage method. Here is a 5-stage model that the most student can easily memorize and put into action, and which was direct application to many area of the curriculum as well as everyday life. First step, understand the problem. That is most important step in problem solving method, because if you not able to understand the problem, you will not find out the solution of the problem. So this is the basic need. This is the first point in problem solving method, to understand the problem. It is important the students understand the nature of a problem and its related goals. Encourage students to frame a problem in their own words. Next step in problem solving method is describe any barriers. Student need to be aware by aware of any barriers, and that many that may be preventing them from achieving their goals. So find out the hurdles and problem, what is the main problem, uh, and so what is the barrier in your um, problem. uh, in short, what is creating the problem, uh, encouraging student to verbalize these uh, problems in always an important step. So second step is describe any barriers. Third step is identify various solutions. After the nature and parameter of problem are understood, a student will need to select one or more appropriate strategy to help resolve the problem. Students need to understand that they have many strategies available to them, and that do uh, uh, that no single strategy will be work for all problems. Here we will discuss some problem solving possibilities. So third stage in problem solving method is identifying various solution, or as we know, uh, mm, a student will need to select one or more appropriate strategy to solve the problem. First, create visual image. Many problem solver find it is useful to create mind picture of the problem and its potential solution prior to working on the problem. Mental imaging allow the problem solver to map out many dimension of the problem and see it clearly. So, creating image visual help you in identifying various solution of the problem. Guesstimate give student opportunities to engage in some trial and error approaches to problem solving. It should be understood, however, that this is not a singular approach to problem solving, but rather an attempt to gather some preliminary data. Create a table. A table is an orderly arrangement of data. When students have opportunities to design and create table of information, they being to understand that they can group and organize most data relative to a problem. Use manipulatives by moving objects around on a table or desk. A student can develop pattern and organize element of a problem into recognizable and visual satisfying components. Work backward. It is frequently helpful for a student to take the data presented at the end of the problem. Use a series of computation to arrive at the data presented at the beginning of the problem. Look for pattern. Looking for pattern is an important problem solving strategy because many problems are similar and fall into predictable patterns. A pattern by identification is a regular, systematic repetition and may be numerical, visual, or behavior. Create a systematic list. Recording information is the list from is a process used quite frequently to map out a plan of attack for defining and solving problem. Encourage students to record their ideas in list of determined regularities, patterns, or similarities between the elements. So, identify various solution. In third step, we discuss some problem solving technique. First one is create visual image. Second is guesstimate. Create a table of to arrange data. Use multi use manipulative. Next is work backyard. Look for a pattern and create a systematic list. When you will do this type of work, definitely you identifying various solution for your problem. Fourth step in problem solving method, try out a solution. When working through a strategy or combination of strategies, it will be important for a student. Keep accurate and up-to-date record of their uh, thoughts, proceeding, and procedures. Recording the data collected, the prediction made, and the strategies used is an important part of problem solving process. Try to work through a selected strategy or combination of strategies until it become evident that is not working. It is need to modify or it is uh, yielding inappropriate data. As students become more proficient, solver, they should feel comfortable rejecting potential strategies at any time during their uh, quest uh, for solution. Monitor with great care the step undertaken as part of solution, although it might be a natural tendency for student to rush uh, through a strategy to arrive at quick answer. Encourage them to carefully assess and monitor their progress. Feel comfortable putting a problem aside for a period of time and taking it at a later time. For example, uh, scientists really come up with a solution the first time the approach a problem. The student should also feel comfortable letting problem rest for a while and running to it later. Evaluation the result. This is last stage in problem solving method. Uh, it is vitally important that students have multiple opportunities to access their own problem solving skills and the solution they generate from using those skills. Frequently, students are overly dependent upon teacher to evaluate their performance in the classroom. The process of self estimate is not easy. However, it involves risk taking, self assurance, and a certain level of independence. But it can be effectively promoted by asking a student question. Such questions are: how do you feel about your progress so far? Are you satisfied with the result you obtained? Why do you believe this is an appropriate response to the problem? So ask uh, these types of question to your student for evaluating the result of problem solving method. Now we will discuss principle of problem solving method. First, model is useful problem solving method. Problem solving can be difficult and sometimes tedious. Show student by your example how to be patient and persistent and how to follow a structured method. Such a Woods model described here. A articulate your method as you use it, so student see the connections. Teach within a specific content. Teach problem solving skills in the context in which they will be used. Use real life problem in explanations, example, and exams. Do not teach problem solving as an independent abstract skills. Help student understand the problem. In order to solve problem, student need to define the end goal. This step is crucial to successful learning of problem solving skill. If you succeed at helping student answer the question what and why, finding the answer to how will be easier. Take enough time when planning a lecture, tutorial, budget enough time for understanding the problem and defining the goal both individually and as the class. Dealing with the questions from the you and your student, making finding and fixing mistakes and solving entire problem in a single session. Ask question and make suggestion. Ask student for predictive what would happen if, or explain why something happened. This will help them to develop analytical and deductive thinking skill. Also ask a question and make suggestion about strategies to encourage students to reflect on the problem solving strategies uh, that they use. Link error to misconceptions. Use error as evidence of the misconcepts, not clearness or random guessing. Make an effort to isolate the misconcepts or correct it them to teach student to do this by uh, themselves. We can all learn from mistakes. So link error to misconceptions. Teacher role in problem solving method. Teacher has a very important role in teaching learning process. Here, he or she has a duty to provide proper guideline to the student in completion on their work. Some important rules are given below. Give mm, suggestion, not answer. Offer problem solving. Uh, teach a variety of problem solving strategies. Allow time for student to struggle with problem. Choose problem that require time to think through a solution. Provide a variety of problems. Allow student time to practice and uh, mm, strategies. Practice on strategies. Give similar or same problem at different way. Ask question that encourage student to uh, think divergently. Explain how they are thinking to share strategies. Think of other way that the same problem could be asked. Think of real life problem that are and or related to the problem. Discover different problem that can be solved within the same strategy. Discover multiple ways to solve the problem, reflect or check their solution, reflect and discuss how they uh, imaged a certain strategy might be possible, explain why they have confidence in their solution, provide encouragement and appreciation, appreciate different solution and strategies, encourage students to find multiple solutions to a problem, encourage student to take time to solve problem, compliment student on good problem solving strategies where they can reach a solution or not, make sure student know what a complete or phrase specifically relate to about the problem and problem solving, encourage student to keep trying and to learn by correcting mistake. Let a student know that problem solving in difficulty and rewarding. Share and discuss attitude and disposition uh, that are conductive to problem solving. These are the role of the teacher in problem solving method. Now we will discuss some advantage of problem solving method. Development of long-term knowledge retention. Students who participate in problem solving activities can improve their ability to retain and recall information. This is because while learning about something, open discussion between peers reinforce understanding of subject matter. Use a diverse instruction type, grouping students together for problem solving learning allows them to take tangible problem and enjoy team-based learning. You can also provide content such as a video, news article, and more. Continuous engagement. It is not hard to see the potential for engagement as students collaborate to solve real world problem that directly affect or heavily uh, interest them. Development of transferable skill using problem solving learning to present tangible content and consequences and can allow learning to become more uh, profound and durable, helping students apply skills they develop to their own real world scenario. Improvement of teamwork and interpersonal skills. Completing a problem solving learning challenge uh, hence guess of instruction and communication, meaning student should be also build skills related to teamwork and collaboration. These are the advantage of mm, problem solving method. Now we will discuss some disadvantage of problem solving method. Potentially poor performance on test because standardized tests typically reward phase-based learning with the multiple choice and short answer question. Problem BPL activities mm, may not be effectively prepare student uncomfort un preparedness. Many students may not be prepared to participation in BPL exercise due to immaturity unfamiliarity with board question and lack of pre questioning, yeah, lack of knowledge. Teacher unpreparedness, you may have to adjust some habits such to uh, uh, correcting student and teaching teaching to promote the fast recall of facts, instant giving hints and ask question to the encouraging independent thought, time consuming assessment, problem solving. If you choose to give marks assessing student performance throughout a problem based learning exercises demand constant monitoring and note taking, varying degree of relevancy and applicability. It can be easy for a student to divert from the challenges, objective, possible, missing uh, uh, information, running to into un, unanticipated obstacles when solving the problem in another possibility. These are the reference you should go through for further more information. Types of MCQs. In problem solving method, children learn by working on option A search, option B problems, option C state, option D state space. Choose appropriate answer. You have four options. Filling the blanks is the most is important that the student understand and nature of the problem and its related goals. Option A method of teaching, option B understand the problem, option C technique of teaching, option D teaching strategies. Choose appropriate answer. Next MCQs. When attempting a solve a problem, y is divide and uh, consequence uh, concurry strategy useful. Option A divide and concur, the 5 stage model. Option C brainstorming, option D PDCA. Choose the appropriate answer. Filling the blanks provide the framework into which more direct method for solving subpart of problem can be embedded. Option A search, option B problem, option C state, option C state space. Choose appropriate answer. Next MCQ, A filling the blanks is a uh, preparation. Sorry, presentation of problem elements at given moment. Option A search, option B problem, option C stage, option D stage space. Disadvantage of problem solving method are you have four options. Choose appropriate answer. The the teaching the goal of teaching is filling the blanks. Option A to give information, option B to involve pupils in activities, option C to impact knowledge, sorry, to impart knowledge, option D desirable change in the behavior. Choose appropriate answer. Next MCQs, the rules of presenting the content to make them easy are called option A method of teaching, option B uh, maximums of teaching, option C technique of teaching, option D technique of strategies. Choose appropriate answer. Disadvantage of problems okay, okay, thank you student. We sum up the end of this our video lecture. Thank you.